moving on to the second question. So, a job market in India is pretty open and popular for full stack developers. The reason being, we can take three cycles of job market. So, first is MNCs, second is product-based companies, and third is startups. So, starting from the smallest one, in case of startups, the team size is small, as we all know. So, a full stack developer is a perfect fit in a startup based culture because he can iterate through entire product from starting to end, and that helps the initial founders a lot to actually iterate to product in multiple cycles because the full stack developer can easily switch between the client side and server side code and is able to quickly iterate through the MVP process, which we usually call. Once a startup goes into a better state and it is starting to mature as a product and improve its product features, in that case, a full stack developer can iterate through entire product cycle and know which features work in the client side, which are in the backend side, and can easily work on them, and by which we gain a stable product easily. And another thing is there is not much traction between backend and front end because if you see if there is a backend and a front end developer working simultaneously, there will be a time where there will be a gap between the front end part and the backend part. But in case of full stack development, a full stack developer can easily iterate between both the front end and back end cycles and develop products easily. So that is one of the reasons why full stack developers are popular in case of MNCs, startups. Now coming to product-based companies, even product-based companies focus on having teams which are effective and are able to iterate through product development cycles faster. And there the emphasis is on product stability and as much less bugs as possible. Now, as a full stack developer is working on a backend as well as front end side, he's able to handle the edge cases and the scenarios which we might miss if there are two different developers working separately on full front end and backend stack. Coming to MNCs part, MNCs are now transitioning from specific specialist roles to generic roles like full stack development for their products because clients sometimes require their development cycles to be fast and iterative. So again, their full stack development comes into popular choice. Now, coming from a popular survey by Stack Overflow, we realized that in the year 2020, around 49% of developers in the industry identified themselves as full stack developers. So the job market in India is pretty much booming. And if you go by the popular survey by another board of labor statistics, I came across this on Board Infinity blog. So it is expected to rise by 13% each year in case of full stack development. And in case of US, there was a stat that it jumped from around 1 lakh vacancies to 8 lakh vacancies. And in India, a similar boom is possible. Now, in the midst of pandemic, there might be industries which are getting affected, but slowly as pandemic changes the dynamics of development, many companies are iterating through new ways to counter the existing economic downfall. And even then, there is a market still booming for full stack development. And in case of vacancies, there is a huge surplus of vacancies available, and there is a actually a shortfall or shortage of full stack developers because as a full stack developer, you are supposed to work on multiple skills, and there are very less developers who can actually iterate through all the cycles. And in case of experienced developers, the market is means quite booming, and you can get vacancies as a full stack developer easily because, as I mentioned, that startups, product-based companies, and even the MNCs are actually opting to get full stack developers on board because let's say there is a team of 5 people and there is a full stack developer working even with a front end and back end guy, he's easily able to iterate between those two development teams and is able to actually communicate with them effectively for proper product cycles. Again, on a senior manager level or solution architect level, if someone is from technical background who has worked on the backend and the front end stack, even in that case, full stack developer vacancy makes sense. So combining all these reasons, we can say that yes, the market for full stack developers in India is rising, and yes, it is quite booming. So yeah.